What's up guys, this is Travis, the newest employee at East Coast Dyes, and this is my weapon of choice. I have the Warrior Evo X head here with the One Lacrosse Cutter C155 shaft composite. For my head I have the Inside Out Marble Neon Green dye, as you can see. I have the number 21 up here in the top right corner and down here in the left corner. Significant number for me. My sister who passed away, that was her number all her life, so I represent that number pretty well. For my mesh, I have 15 double fade from gray to neon green. I have top strings nylon black, one nylon at the top here as well. I have two shooters, one U, one straight across. Mid to low pocket, pretty nice. Has a lot of hold, releases very well. And that's pretty much what I like to use when I'm playing. That is my weapon of choice. Thanks for watching today, guys.